Tonight, jury selection back on track after a 2-week break in the death penalty trial for Nikolas Cruz. Potential jurors were asked today about their views on the death penalty. Local 10's Christina Vasquez live down with Fort Lauderdale for us with more. Christina.
And as an analyst you're about to hear from explains why this is a crucial stage to the jury selection process. And we're talking things about religion, morality, attorneys questioning the deep core value system of prospective jurors at this stage.
Nothing is going to bring the victims back.
As a parent, it's hard to disconnect from that.
Phase 2 of jury selection is now underway. Attorneys asking prospective jurors
and the concept of eye for an eye, that's something that you believe in.
About their views on the death penalty.
I think anyone has that power, except God.
To determine whether they can be fair and impartial when it comes to sentencing.
Nothing is going to bring the victims back, but at the end of the day, it's the law. We're going to have to follow the law. Questions
about whether they could listen to the trial testimony, the state's evidence of aggravating factors, such as the shooting they may argue being especially heinous and cruel, weighed against mitigating circumstances the defense will ask them to consider. Anticipated evidence about the shooter's background, childhood, history of behavioral issues.
Just from your core value system, the types of things that would matter to you in that assessment.
Can you put any feelings or what you've read or what you thought aside?
This phase of the jury selection process is what's referred to as death qualification. The law says that in order for a juror to make a determination, life in prison or the death penalty, they cannot be morally opposed to the death penalty, meaning death penalty must be an option.
And so as the attorneys begin to unpack that with the prospective jurors, at times the content area is so weighty and so sensitive, it almost feels like you're in the midst of a philosophical discussion as the prospective jurors themselves are given pause to really think through how they think about these matters. Meantime, this process will continue, explain the judge, until they get to the next phase. So what happens now is everyone who clears this phase 2 has been given already a date to return in the future for future questioning. Again, they're trying to panel a 12-member jury and about 6 to 8 alternates. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.